It was an honor to meet with Honorable General Retired Dr. C.G.D.N. Chiwenga, Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. Nzarapinda mashoko kubuda panguva ine chirikonzi aiwa Chiwenga ndiye munhu wevanhu munyika yeZimbabwe. Panguva ino you are also seeing kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga vari kumira vachiadvocata for change. Havasi kuwanikwa pane nzvimbo dzinokwa kunzi dzinoita dzichimbundikidza constitution nevagari venyika yeZimbabwe. Ndiri kuwasubscribe like kuti vakabell icon. TV namunawo panapa toenda pahindu yazvo kuti amudanyira chiti Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, we reaffirm our shared commitment to further deepening our long-standing friendship and broadening bilateral cooperation across key sectors including renewable energy, transportation, artificial intelligence, and skills development, vital drivers to unlock Zimbabwe's immense potential and bolster its competitiveness as a prime investment destination. We also exchanged perspectives on strategically leveraging China's zero tariff policy to catalyze local value addition, generate employment, and boost fiscal revenue. Tona Ndramberi as well, panguva inoi. Tipinda mu speech ya VP Constantino Chiwenga nomudanyi wachinzi, I reaffirm Zimbabwe's unwavering commitment to transparency, accountability, and the prudent management of public resources. No individual should be above the law. No procurement process should be beyond scrutiny. Public trust must remain the cornerstone of public administration. I therefore urge members, states across Southern Africa to strengthen procurement authorities, build institutional capacity, protect whistleblowers acting in the public interest, and adequately support anti-corruption initiatives. Domashwa mdaita kwa panguva ine na VP Constantino Chiwenga. Pina comment section medu za video yenye mtu kubiba msalipichiri kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, pachiri on the bell icon.